Here we have a completely renovated horizontal Minarelli engine. This one is with a RMS racing crankshaft, new bearings of course, entire new pulley system in the back, which means clutch and V-belt, and the pulley. The pulley on the front is new too. There is a 70cc sport cylinder kit on the front. Just put it in the test bench here so that we can see it run. So let's do that. So as you see, a fully functioning engine here, which is for sale on a one-stop engine shop at Motorbutikken. So is the DAYCO carburetor, a 19mm. So go and check it out.